Good day. My name is Steve Albanese, and I am founder and CEO of LearnBolt. LearnBolt is a mobile learning solution designed to help small businesses and educators create just-in-time learning from anywhere at any time. Now, a few questions here. Are there any small business owners or managers that run small businesses in here? Okay, a few. Do any of you guys have any training or learning program for your employees? Okay, not as many hands. So, I don't know if you know this, but there are 5.6 million small businesses in the United States. And 97% of those businesses are 100 employees and below. And most of those employees provide little or no training. Now, if you start talking to some of these businesses about their operations, many of these businesses operate in what I call reactionary or firefighting mode. What just happened and how do I fix it? My employee didn't show up, what do I do now? So, if you start talking to a business owner about some of their pain points, with a little bit of analysis, you can drill down to the root cause, and in many cases you'll find it's maybe human error or, yes, lack of training. Okay? So what do they do from there? Well, LearnBolt is a solution that is designed to help them get up and running quickly. So LearnBolt is a mobile learning solution designed to help businesses create proportional learning. Okay? So make an investment in proportional learning so that, so for example, if I'm in a business situation and I have a situation where I have some specific content that I need, I can quickly capture it, okay, and share it with my end users. So the solution, so the main points of LearnBolt, it consists of a media library, learn paths, and the cloud. Now the media library is where we store all of our content. So for example, just in time, I can go out and grab image, video, sound, stored in my media library. We integrate with cloud services such as Dropbox, Google Drive, Instagram. So you can quickly grab all that stuff, you store it in the media library, you can share those individual assets or save it for a later date. The learn paths are well thought out structures designed to help you organize that content into a nice, neat, beautiful package. So for example, we have learn path types such as how-tos, lesson, tour, guide, review, and these are structures that are helping you get started. So you fire up a learn path, say how-to, and it gives you a template where you can start adding the content. Once you have your basic structure, then what you could do is start curating all the content that you need to support that idea. And you can grab it from your local drive, you can scrape the internet to find it, or from Google. And this allows you to cater towards various learning styles and knowledge levels. And then finally, the cloud. And the cloud is where all of this content is synchronized and stored, and allows you to immediately share it with your employees as you need it in a just-in-time fashion. So the business model. The business model is a freemium tiered system with a custom white label option. Now, the tiers vary by the number of shares and the number of storage and feature sets. We also have a white label option where we can package the specific application for a specific business. In addition, other revenue models will provide tools for in-app purchases to expand the capability of LearnBolt, as well as send content libraries and learn paths, and courses in learn paths. Traction, our first customer is a company called Washify, and they sell a point-of-sale system to car washes, and they're using LearnBolt as a digital manual for their system, as well as Tutorial Depot that delivers how-to content to the music technology industry. Goals. Currently, we have a white label version. Our goal is to release the editor version of LearnBolt in the App Store in Q1 of 2015. We are looking for beta testers to help load test our product. If you're interested, we are bootstrapping the product at this point. We are pursuing a capital investment to help fuel marketing, sales, and growth. I'll leave you with this. We live in a mobile world, okay? So small businesses and educators, you don't have to be tethered to a desk anymore. Get out there, teach, learn, create from anywhere at any time. LearnBolt, just-in-time learning in a flash. Thank you. What is just-in-time learning? Does anybody know? So just-in-time learning, for any of you guys that are wondering about that, is if you want to learn about something right now or you need some content, what do? You search it, you find it. And LearnBolt is trying to make the most of that so that it kind of caters towards how people grab content right now. If I'm a small business owner and I need to curate some content quickly, I can curate, I can search the web, I can grab it from different Dropbox, Google Drive, maybe stuff I've captured around my business, and then quickly I can share it with that employee. Okay? So the whole concept of just-in-time learning, I think, is pretty much where we're all going. And providing this vehicle for businesses, and most of the small businesses in the United States provide little or no training. And there really isn't any option for them. So providing a mobile capability where they can do it anywhere at any time, we're hoping will be a great resource for them.
Are you going to be storing it in like an LMS system or something that they can reference later on?
Yeah, so how this works is the three components are the media library, the LearnPath, and cloud storage. So for example, as you start collecting, and I call it mining, you want to mine your business's most valuable resource, which is their knowledge. So as they collect maybe a video on how to do this procedure, an image on how we set up their certain things, when they put it in the media library, it's automatically synchronized to the cloud. And so now they not only are grabbing that information as they need it, but they have a backup of all of their important information. So for example, a crucial employee leaves, we've got some information on how they do their specific job, and I can immediately share it as I need it. Thank you.